Shasha, wake. Shasha, wake. I see that she woke up, stepped out of her house. For no reason, she collapsed. They rushed her to the hospital. They did not diagnose anything, and she died.
I hear a name, Shasha Weeks, bitch. Emmanuel Adjei, you are such a bitch. You see, all of you want to chase Clout, Emmanuel Adjei. You've been a Clout chaser from day one. Ghana for any nyansa, and Obia sorry, I know we didn't. Papa, when Musa saw what in our sort of way, and son baby was painters. But Emmanuel Adjei, who the TV presenter may see me bo? Who the TV presenter? Am I the Kunuba? Sorry, am I a boo woman? I do Johnny.
I will say our prophet Emmanuel Adjei and come she be about the trouble. In fact, and come she no ama yes sister Fiashwas nigga. Ni bu afu ye pa. I'm what to be a dear prophet Emmanuel Adjei. Some commission and Mensaka to Baba Sumona. Answer no. Make I will say a cake center and answer my son. I'm did you make a bro cake center say or the boss me back pay SCY or they trust any to cake and it's any deco and Untino. Bra cake center never suya. Bibi a bit me do on side. I'm also in a scar at the Google to free cake center. I was 0554 640178. 0554 640178. Cake center able to dance man. In Chemubi a PBR friend or the Bemau. After so I can on all discounts both food the cake center or the Bemau. I had too much dish. I can't subscribe. I'm a page with me a notification bell on the so I'm a upload the baby and say it's me a kid. I was saying Prophet Emmanuel Adjei and or them come share about to abontia and come share no ama yes the fear Schwarzenegger ni bu afu ye pa and come share na air say nipa friend say Shasha Weeks say Ghana any say Shasha Weeks dey waji din ye pa girls si kon ho ekoto weeks bebre e de ball like bebre butu ama foot su nyina Shasha Weeks na so for air say Shasha Weeks be pie fifie say wo kwa adwuma odru na fia bontia na kum Shasha Weeks e twa we try here in the hospital no abusunya Shasha Weeks entime sorry and no or just a ritual na some wine and I didn't quite ritual no I know the me am say minim I just suffer Emmanuel Adjei and a bit me share.
Pray for this particular person. This particular person sells wig. I hear like Shasha wig. Pray for her. Pray for this particular lady, Shasha wig. I see that she's close to a grave. I just saw it like that. If it's a name, if anybody knows her, she should not joke with this prophetic word. Shasha wake. Shasha wake. I see that she woke up, stepped out of her house. For no reason, she collapsed. They rushed her to the hospital. They did not diagnose anything, and she died. It's ritual. It's a ritual killing. She can choose to ignore this prophetic word, or she can take it serious. It doesn't really matter. PEA is a trusted brand. Malato Shokadalia.
I will see a software and send me ever to Genesis the Fiashwas niggas as soft take a break because I give me or no or your queen of this game. Won't me can't some such as I can now found because Shasha Rig, you know, or your or no a Fiashwas nigga sister and into Ubaba Sham comes a ritual killing people person and no wine and I this Shasha Rig no equa sa ritual the Ebusia and Wayane and someone if Fiashwas nigga I can't actually suffer in fact or Chacrasa and many bibrino now sorry them work or need no across abortion na I know there's so for just one to san someone who say America and no the actual name obi wo hu come share na so for so ti ya na busia send ye Fiashwas nigga san so or the Bible ntin na ni
mo anedi kan Shasha Yeminia. If you don't know, I'm telling you, Shasha Weeks is my sister, my blood sister. O Yeminia, if you feel baku, o Yemi mami miaba, o mu muni, o Yeminia nya madamfo. Now, Shasha will man kitty. Na Emmanuel Adjei, one sorry dying ace is sprinters, manettes. Precisely. Shasha Weeks, the first born in the 15 years old. Adjei, Mendaye, and Kolane Ndaye, Shasha Ndaye. see obewu through ritual killing. No mina mi be kuna na ne mame. Anani kunu. Suffer. You are acting as if you don't know Shasha Weeks. However, one sorry die is in Manette Junction. Shasha will Coca-Cola runabout. Our signboard gang yes you and to suffer was a wound tremu every Manette on for Coca-Cola water. I will say I hear a name Shasha Weeks, bitch. Emmanuel Adjei, you are such a bitch. You see, all of you want to chase Clout, Emmanuel Adjei. You've been a Clout chaser from day one. Ghana for any nyansa, and Obia sorry and Omudinechi. Papa, when Mumusan and Sawate, now sorry when he and son Obi was painters. But Emmanuel Adjei, who the TV presenter, may see me bo, who the TV presenter, Emma Nikunuba, sorry, Emma Wababu, woman, I do Dwane. The TV presenter Emmanuel Adjei, one will be irritating and God did not speak to you. You had Shasha Weeks, but TV presenter now would no. TV presenter now would no presenter now say all Joy FM no. Baby I know first minka. Say all Joy FM no. I would no na you couldn't be embarrassed or sorry demon. Emmanuel Adjei, why don't you want to talk about it? Emmanuel Adjei, I had done Adjei pounds. Sorry. You don't want to talk about it. God did not speak about it. You think we don't know you are the latest celebrity pastor fucker in town? Emmanuel Adjei, shut up. What's answer? Cross one year contract. Or say what Jenny dear, one can say what the winning chance dear. Are you stupid? What the fuck is wrong with your mind? Mabu Padamo says, no, you have been in 1 year, giant mona mobile start. Right now, stupid asshole. One of the woody presenters, one of the woody celebrities. Are you stupid? Sigh, Shashe Bevu. Na your ritual killing. Everyone saw it diamond. I call Shasha Weeks. Every 5 minutes drive. Everybody was sorry die here. I call Shasha Weeks. I also plus traffic and I had 10 minutes. You couldn't have gone to a shop. Who you are down say, Mimi a brand. Shannon Kwasi a brandy be. Brandy be now we Emmanuel Adjei. Is it because you are sleeping with the TV presenters in your church? I had done and a TV presenter on Joy FM no. Nikunuba was sorry them all. Don't you think you need to speak about it? I sorry. You can't hear from God when you sleep with somebody's wife. God is not an idiot. Asshole. You don't sleep with people's wives and hear from God, Emmanuel Adjei. Stop fooling. Kwasia say a ritual killing. And you wouldn't trust me. And you wouldn't trust the killing. And you wouldn't trust the killing. That's what it is. And you wouldn't, you people, me my catch my sister and someone call report to my police. And I expected to do that. Because you are a very stupid man who call yourself man of God. Who called you? Why did God call you? Why are you not sleeping with a married woman? Why I mean what Joy FM no? Sister no what Joy FM no? I know about one story and I then what die. Come and explain to the world why Adjei pounds and the husband is running away and the wife is running away from you. Kwasia, what you saw them on a wood demand and I want. Why is Adjei pounds and the husband running away from you, Emmanuel Adjei? We are poor. Kwasia, Master, you go and Shimi. I hear Shasha. You hear woman chill. Oh, fui. See, stupid cloud chaser. Say, me, I am a brand. If you like, take it. You are sleeping with celebrities. You think we don't know? You think we don't know? You are sleeping with them. Who do want to try more music? A boy. What's Nasia? Now, no movie, Nivia. Motafrita free read to Feno. Etafrita free girls, Nichamuria. You want to chase Clout with my sister, right? You want to chase Clout with her? You, Michelle, a man if I want to pay, Michelle. And I'm a man if I want to pay. Quasia, or gas, no. I won't tell you what Shasha weeks. What gas, no. I won't tell you what Shasha weeks. And I'm a tinny be said Shasha weeks. What tinny be said, woman, me true, can kind. Stupid asshole. Possible, don't bring yourself. Possible. I told you to tell your stupid pastor what to do. Possible makeup. I told you to tell your stupid pastor. Say our 1 hour to come and retract that bullshit he did. Because I know him. And now what possible? And can a story come a year da. And can time of Cody presenter Joy FM. TV presenter Joy FM and to so girl no body no. Or Cody no my girl ne kunu ever cause confusion no possible. And then one come a story da. And so if you are sitting on your bullshit, don't feel untouchable. I told you to tell your stupid pastor what to do. Retract and apologize. That is what I told you to tell him to do. And if he doesn't do it, Kwasie, what quite red over being in Amgana says here with him or abuse. Messe, Adjei pounds. Our yeah, Juma won your TV no. Nikuno now not in London no. Nikuno. Send one for us, you send a cousin now, one in the name, I'm a girl that call you abortion. Yeah, no. If God is speaking to you, 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 come and tell the world why Adjei pounds and the husband has stopped coming to your church, Emmanuel Adjei. Come and tell the world. And yet, Adjei pounds. Sorry. You are some piece of shit, nigga. What sharwate? Mono read of we are. Now for somewhere we are. If you are high, you can't be higher than the most high. And master, what brandy be anywhere? A blue yes to Christo. So you are a stupid brand that is sleeping with young girls in your church. Who was here? Brand the band away. And so by saying him and California Japadia, I will make penny dear. When you go one country, because as at that time you were busy sleeping with girls in your church. You were busy orchestrating abortion. Emmanuel Adjei, omo gu ansori dem no nyame ka omo asem hyerew na nwan nyame fa omo hye won sa no o nyame be ka won asem hyerew ana nyame time nyame kasa no na wudi enkofo ye no is that what it is? Nyame kasa na wudi enkofo ye no, is that what it is? Is that what it is? I mean, tell us. There has been a lot of disasters. Emmanuel Adjei, your God did not speak about it. And how dare you and your God to speak about an innocent woman sleeping and minding her business? Because so far as I'm concerned, all my sister does is to sell her wig and mind her business. All my sister does is to sell her wig and mind her business.
Ebusia sister Fia na property no no so abro ne nsem so go na say enim sister Fia no so ono so asemu ase na ewo ntwa so no bibia beef we be kwa kusimi. In fact we have no idea. My own also comment no e was say aha e too much here just as from my page me adoma no so ama upload bia on set me aka ebusia e ya follow so e wo Facebook e too much gh makra.